Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a post on the Stocktwits app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Stocktwits app, and then to create a post on the app, you just have to tap on the bottom right corner on this little pencil icon. And here you can type in the post that you would like to add. You can also tag different stocks, since we are on a trading site. Let's say I want to tag Tesla, then I can do that as well. I can tag also people from the site if they are signed up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also set your post, if you are talking about a stock, to bearish or bullish, depending on your situation. You can also add GIFs to your post by tapping on GIFs on the other side. You can upload photos from your device by tapping here. And you can also turn on and connect to your Twitter, so your post is going to appear on Twitter as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And when you are done, just tap on the post icon and your post is ready to be viewed here on the timeline. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.